Alan and colleagues, thank you for giving up your time to join us today in this, the first meeting of our employers' leadership group for diversity, and for your enthusiasm in engaging in this very important subject. As engineers and business leaders, we know what it takes to build a successful and sustainable business. And we know that our business is reliant on the skills, imagination and creativity of our employees more than any other factor. That is why so many of you have called for a greater national emphasis on engineering skills. The evidence put forward by the Royal Academy of Engineering, Engineering UK and others is clear. The demand for engineers and technicians exceed their supply. And if left unchecked, this skills gap will undermine the economic recovery and reduce the international competitiveness of the UK. The shortage of engineers is an international problem, but the UK has an added challenge with the lowest proportion of female engineers in Europe. When our employees volunteer as STEM ambassadors in primary school, they work with 50% girls and 50% boys. When that work takes place in secondary schools, the proportion is 40% girls. By the time college and university choices have been made, we're down to 14%, and in the workforce, just 6%. I highlight the painful shortage of women engineers because that is an area where we could do much more to close skill gaps and retain competitiveness. But the principle is wider than that. We should be looking for talent in every sector of society. It is no longer good enough to explain away a lack of diversity in our workforce on the grounds that insufficient people from underrepresented groups apply. We must be doing everything in our power to make our firms more attractive to all prospective employees. As business leaders, we expect action. The Royal Academy of Engineering has the support of government in taking action. The Academy is already working with the professional engineering institutions to make our profession more welcoming. But the real traction will come from employers. As business leaders, we do just that. We lead. We need to distill our collective experience until we have a clear vision of what really works in engaging a more diverse talent pool. Then we need to agree a plan on how to execute this vision. Lastly, we need to attract or challenge our peers to work alongside us in making that vision a reality. I only wish I could be with you today as you take your first decisions in this leadership group. Good luck, and I look forward to hearing great things, and thank you again for being with us.